Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to turn on a Lexus ES350 with a key. First, locate the ignition cylinder, typically on the right side of the steering column. Gently insert your physical key all the way into the slot until it stops. Make sure the key is fully seated to ensure proper contact for the ignition system. This initial step is crucial for the subsequent starting process. Once your key is fully inserted, turn it clockwise one click to the ACK position. This powers up accessories like the radio. Next, turn the key another click clockwise to the ON position. You will see your dashboard lights illuminate, indicating the vehicle's electrical systems are now active and ready for the engine to start. With the dashboard lights on, turn the key one more click clockwise to the start position. Hold it there briefly for about 1 to 2 seconds until you hear the engine crank and start. As soon as the engine catches and runs on its own, release the key. It will automatically spring back to the ON position. For a smooth start, always confirm your Lexus ES350 is in park or neutral. Also, it's a good practice to firmly press the brake pedal while turning the key. If the engine doesn't start on the first try, wait a few seconds before attempting again. These simple steps help ensure a reliable and safe start every time.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.